Barbecue.
Grillpartie.
It's nice to have a barbecue when it's sunny. Biscuit.
Keks.
Of course she isn't hungry. She's just had a packet of biscuits. Boomerang.
Boomerang.
I went to Australia on holidays and bought a boomerang. Campus.
Campus.
When you go to university, will you live on campus? Coincidence.
Zufall.
What a coincidence. Confuse.
Verwirren.
Numbers can confuse us sometimes. Drop out.
Abbrechen.
I started university but I don't like it. I think I'm going to drop out. Economics.
Volkswirtschaft, Wirtschaft, Wirtschaftswissenschaften.
I can't decide what to study at university, law or economics. Flip.
Werfen.
If you can't decide, flip a coin. Gambler.
Spieler, in.
He's a big gambler and has lost his fortune. Gig.
Auftritt.
The band got a gig in a local pub. Grateful.
Dankbar.
I'm so grateful for all your help. Greedy.
Gierig.
He's not a good boss. He's selfish and greedy. Lack.
Mangel.
Lack of exercise is not good for your health. Loan.
Kredit.
I had to take out a loan to pay for my studies. Lorry.
Lastwagen.
I can drive a car, but not a lorry. Meditate.
Meditieren.
Some people find it useful to meditate to reduce stress levels. Probability.
Wahrscheinlichkeit.
Probability says that unlikely coincidences will happen sometimes. Regret.
Bedauern.
I've decided not to have children and I don't think I'll regret it later. Retrain.
Umschulen.
I'm going to give up my job as a nurse and retrain as a teacher. Terrorist attack.
Terroranschlag.
It's very unlikely that you'll die in a terrorist attack. Threat.
Drohung.
He said he would fire me if I told my manager. That was a threat. Tick.
Ticken.
I could hear the clock tick in the background. Toast.
Anstoßen auf.
We'll have some champagne to toast to your new home. Unbelievable.
Unglaublich.
To tell you the truth, I found the story unbelievable. Weird.
Seltsam.
I had a weird dream last night.